The Honor View 20 comes with a 48-megapixel AI camera, TOF 3D camera, and the Kirin 980 AI chipset with dual neural processing unit. Choose from 3 colors: Sapphire Blue, Phantom Blue, and Midnight Black. Choose between 2 memory variants: 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory or 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal memory. Both SIM slots support 4G Volt capability. The 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display has a bezel-less look and immersive experience. It has a unique look with the V-shaped light-patterned back and 3D curved design. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor at the back or face unlock that works well even in low light. The 48-megapixel AI primary camera with Sony IMX586 sensor captures high-quality images that retains quality even when zoomed. The secondary TOF 3D camera enables depth sensing for 3D photography and 3D motion gaming. The sleek 25-megapixel in-screen AI front camera helps you take great selfies. The AI scene recognition intelligently recognizes 1,500 plus scenarios and adjusts for optimal settings. The phone runs on Android Pie 9.0. The Kirin 980 7nm AI chipset with dual neural processing unit enables smooth multitasking. The GPU Turbo 2 with triple antenna Wi-Fi enhances the gaming experience. The 9 cooling technology prevents the phone from overheating. You can accurately track your runs with enhanced GPS signals through 2 frequency bands. The phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days. Get up to 55% charge in 30 minutes with supercharged technology. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, eject tool, TPU protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.